Today we're exploring the Hajj, a spiritual journey that draws millions to Mecca, Saudi Arabia, every year. It's one of the 5 pillars of Islam, a duty for every able Muslim, and a symbol of unity where everyone stands equal before God. Pilgrims wear simple clothing, erasing differences of wealth or status, and enter a state of purity called ihram. The rituals retrace the steps of Prophets Ibrahim and Muhammad, connecting the present to a sacred past. From circling the Kaaba to walking between Safa and Marwa, each act is rich with meaning. Hajj is more than a physical journey. It's a chance for spiritual renewal and forgiveness. People from every continent gather, forming bonds that last a lifetime. It's a powerful reminder that, despite our differences, we are one human family. For Muslims, Hajj is the ultimate act of devotion and a life-changing experience. It's a journey that brings peace, unity, and a renewed commitment to faith. That's the heart of Hajj. Planning for Hajj 2026? The main rituals begin around May 24th, with the Day of Arafah on May 26th and Eid al-Adha following. Register early. Pilgrims from the UK and US use the Nusuk platform, while others go through their national Hajj authorities. You'll need a valid Hajj permit. Tourist visas won't work. The minimum age is 12, and your passport must be valid through November 2026. Excitingly, women can now perform Hajj without a male guardian, making the pilgrimage more accessible. Due to regional tensions, some countries like Iran aren't participating this year, and travelers should stay informed. Saudi authorities have prioritized safety, with advanced security measures in place. Despite challenges, Hajj 2026 promises a safe and meaningful experience for all. Preparation is key. Plan ahead and stay updated. Health and safety are top priorities for Hajj. The quadrivalent meningococcal vaccine is mandatory, and some may need yellow fever or polio shots. A medical fitness certificate is required to ensure you're ready for the journey. Mecca's heat in May can be intense. Stay hydrated, use shade, and rest often. Prepare physically with light exercise before you go. Travel insurance is essential, especially with current regional uncertainties. Make sure it covers disruptions. Saudi Arabia has robust healthcare teams, mobile clinics, and tech-driven alerts to keep pilgrims safe. Safety teams guide crowds and manage emergencies. The goal, a peaceful, healthy, and spiritually fulfilling Hajj for everyone. With preparation and care, you can focus on the meaning of your journey. Stay safe, and let your spirit soar. Hajj 2026 blends tradition with technology for a smoother experience. Apps help pilgrims navigate, get real-time updates, and translate signs. AI manages crowd flow, reducing wait times and preventing overcrowding. The Mashair train and a fleet of air-conditioned buses move millions efficiently between ritual sites. The Haramain high-speed railway connects Mecca and Medina in just 2 hours. Airlines offer Hajj without luggage, delivering bags straight to your hotel. Over 3,000 licensed hotels and apartments ensure safe, comfortable stays for 1.8 million pilgrims. Every detail is designed to make your pilgrimage safe, comfortable, and focused on faith. Hajj 2026 brings together pilgrims from every continent: Indonesia, Pakistan, India, and beyond. Despite global tensions, cooperation ensures safe travel for all. The lifting of the Mahram rule empowers women to undertake Hajj independently, a milestone for equality. This year's pilgrimage is a beacon of hope and unity in a divided world. Millions gather, praying side by side, showing our shared humanity. Hajj is more than a journey. It's a message of peace, humility, and devotion. May every pilgrim return home renewed and inspired. Hajj Mubarak to all. May unity and hope guide us forward.